Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra owners can expect another camera upgrade with One UI 7. The One UI 7 beta launch might only be days away now, and the software is being tipped to bring some important updates to older phones as well as newer handsets like the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. According to well-known tipster Ice Universe, via Android Authority, the upcoming software update has significantly optimized the rear camera setup on the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, bringing with it higher clarity for photos and videos. As per recent leaks, One UI 7 is going to bring with it quite a visual overhaul, in part apparently inspired iOS 18. Look out for more rounded corners, smoother animations, and changes to the notification panel, among other updates. We were already expecting improvements to camera performance with the One UI 6.1.1 update due in August, but now it looks as though that's not going to be the end of the optimizations for the camera on the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. The S24 Ultra, along with the Samsung Galaxy S24 and the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus, were only launched in January, but we've already seen numerous fixes and upgrades rolled out by Samsung, mostly focused on camera updates. Issues with inaccurate white balance and abnormal red coloring have already been addressed in earlier updates for the Galaxy S24 Ultra, and that was after improvements in terms of shutter speed, video clarity, and exposure. On the one hand, it would be better if everything worked as well as possible the first time around, but it's also good to see Samsung making efforts to fix anything that's subpar, even if it's taking several attempts to get it right. Exactly when the One UI 7 update is going to make an appearance remains to be seen, but we have to wait for One UI 6.1.1 to appear first. According to those in the know, One UI 7 is still in quite a buggy state, so it may be a while before it's available to everyone.